Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to verify your Discord email to unlock features on iPhone. First, open download and log in using your account. After that, tap on the profile icon and then go to user settings and then go to my account. Next, tap on verify email and then once verified, then check your email inbox for verification link from Discord and then tap it. After that, once verified, your account will have full features unlocked, including joining servers and sending DMs. Privacy tip: only click verification links from official Discord emails to provide phishing scams. Quick fix: if the verification does not arrive, check your spam/junk folder. Resend the verification email from the app. Contact Discord support if you still do not receive it. And that's it. Subscribe for more Discord